Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, Jan's Crazy Life. This book is from Lisa's Crafty Corner, and I will link her YouTube below. And look at this beautiful card she made. I just want to say hi. It says thanks Jan for organizing the altered book. It was fun. Lisa from Lisa's Crafty Corner, and this is the book that goes to Jamie. So let's open it up. Beautiful fabric made by Lisa's Crafty Corner, and there is all kinds of goodies in here. Oh look, so there is this little bitty latch on it, and it's so chunky it doesn't close, but she sent the keys for it. How cute is that? Look at this little witch. Then she sent ephemera, and then look at these stickers, so sweet of her to send. And she sent a stamp set. Oh, how cute. So generous. And then we're gonna stick this right back in this fabric pocket. And then in here, there is a clip with the bat, and it says Halloween and spooky, beautiful paper. And then look at this page. It has a belly band, and she made some bats, but you can write on them. And there are some journaling cards. Here is this adorable tuck spot pocket. Look how cute. And then there's a place to write. Look at this page, guys. This is Halloween. And look. Oh, this is so creative. There's ghosts behind the door. I mean, hold on. I want you to see. And there's glitter on the back of them. Oh, this is so creative. There's a little cat, and she's got these little tags and the tuck spots and ephemera here. Oh, wow. This is so creative. Amazing. So there's this little bag here, which is a pocket. Look at all these die cuts and how much work she put into this book. Amazing. And then there is this beautiful spot, and she's got, it says haunted. And there's a pocket here. And there's all kinds of stuff in here. So in the pocket, she has these and this file folder. I mean, so generous. So cute. And then she has this place to journal, and there's a pocket here. It says favorite treats, and it's got a list. And then she's got these cute little, it's a candy corn tag, and it's a tuck spot for this little tag. So adorable. And then there is one of these, and it's also a tuck spot behind it. What actually pops up, look how cute, the glitter. And then look at all these. Wow. This is another pocket here. And then, oh, she left all the pockets so you can use them. Look at this, and she left it open at the bottom so you could stick a picture in there. And this book goes to Jamie. She's gonna love this. Side pocket. And I got my art glitter glue. Don't feel bad, Lisa. I've done this probably to everyone's book that they sent me. Especially, I gotta stick my thing in. But if I don't, I'll be like, I'll do it later, and then I'll forget. But hold on. Y'all know how washi, if you're a crafter, you know washi lifts up. But let me just stick a little glue on there. Problem solved. Okay. And then it flips up right here to journal. So cute. And then she's got this belly band, and she like stamped out all these little images. But look. Oh, look at that. Jamie's gonna love these. Oh, so cute. And then she's got another one of the bat. But look what the belly band's made of, this trim. Wow. And then she's got these beautiful tags. Look at the paper in the back where she did the stamping. So cute. And then there's this page, and I'm just going to do the same thing. Glue down the washi. And I'm going to do it on, I wonder, I'm not going to do it on this side because maybe she could take it out and move it or whatever, but look how cute this part is. And then it's this, see this, guys? It's like this magical little pocket she made, and that's like plastic. Oh, look, there's this cute little tag and candy and one of the acorn ones. Oh, this is so cute. This is October 31st. So cute. And there is a spider here. Okay. So cute. And then look, this is so cute. Is this, I've seen like one other person with this. That is like a sticker pack. I wonder what that is. And then there is a tuck spot here, a pocket, and there is a place to journal. And then I'm gonna just do the glue again really quickly. And normally I've done this before we've gone on camera, but sorry, Lisa, I'm like, oh, doing videos back to back. But everyone, mine, even my books, I've glued down. Look at this though, guys. She's got this little book in this tuck spot with the witch's broom, and look at the witches over here. She does even have a bookmark. Did I miss something in the pockets? No, okay. There is a tuck spot here with that cute little poem, and then, hold on, I want to put this back in, and then there is this beautiful bookmark, and look at this belly band here with the witch's hat. So cute. Oh, look at this. How adorable is that? Okay. We got it. And then there is some stuff in the pocket here. And there is, look how it says pumpkins she put on there. It's one of these little file folders, but there is some ephemera in here as well. Where they're cut apart. Oh, there's 2 big pages of that. That was super nice. And then there's this page, and it has a flip up. You can write on here, and there's also a pocket with a tag behind it. There's this little tuck spot with all these tags behind it. How adorable. Happy Halloween. And then there's this spot where she left it open. You can put a picture behind it. And then there's this little bitty pocket with all kinds of cut aparts. And then behind here is a tuck spot with a jack-o'-lantern. That's so cute. And then here, there is Elijah. Sorry, guys. Getting carried away. You're being too loud. And then there is this. And it flips up. Oh, it has a brad, so it turns. Look how cute. I like this caution down here. And there's also a side pocket with another one of those adorable file folders in it. And then there's this pocket, and it has, oh, it says healing crystals. And it's got all kinds of like Halloween and die cuts and stamps. So cute. Oh, wait, I don't want to mess it up. Okay. And then there's a pocket over here with tags in it. And then there's this one, and it's got a side pocket and a place to journal. It says Monster Mania. Look how cute this is. It's got like a couple of them. And then, oh, there's a side tuck under here. That's adorable. And then there's this pocket that she's got stuffed with all kinds of stuff. There's another one of those file folders in here, but there's also these gorgeous little, they're like fabric tags. Oh, so generous. And then in the back, she's got this beautiful page. And then she's got another one of these pockets glued in there. And there's all kinds of goodies inside, and behind it is a pocket. So cute. Lisa, you did an amazing job. So I will have her channel linked below. Don't forget to subscribe and check her out. Subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.